Hey guys, so I'm doing a review of the CheerDriving wireless CarPlay device, and as you can see, the design is pretty sleek and it has vents all around to keep it from overheating. It also comes with the USB-C cord right there, and of course this is the first glance to CarPlay. It automatically connects when you get into your car. One of the main features that we really love about this CarPlay device is you're able to watch Netflix and YouTube. So this is what the home screen looks like. You can easily connect through the Wi-Fi here, and it's already preloaded with Netflix and YouTube, so you can watch when your car is not moving. So this is the screen, and when we go to Netflix, click through the movie that you want to watch and it loads pretty quickly. There's also no delay in the audio, just depending on the quality of your screen. It looks pretty good. So this actually worked on a Honda Civic 2018 EX model, and it has also worked on multiple cars that we know.